I am extremely passionate about the personal development, and in this video I am going to tell you about the three most basic, core, fundamental ideas that my worldview and philosophy are based upon. They are simple but have very deep, beautiful, profound implications and interconnected in very amazing ways. You start with recognizing that ultimately, in the grand scheme of things, life has no meaning. But because you have mind, you can choose and create the meaning for yourself. That universe is empty, but you can choose to be the light burning in the motherfucking void. That at some point life is going to end, but until then, instead of slowly declining and fading away, you can choose to turn your life into the blast of awesomeness. Everything you ever do in life is based on one central core premise. It all starts with one simple choice: I want to live, and its first rational implication: I want to live the shit out of my life. I want the fullest and most extreme version of life possible. The way you achieve the most profound and deep sense of life is by being in the state of high consciousness. Some people call it flow or being in the zone or simply state. It is related to the Eastern philosophy idea of presence, but it has nothing to do with metaphysics. It is simply a state of being completely present and fully alive, achieved by focusing all of your faculties and awareness on the present task that you do. You enter the state by blazing forward towards your goal and burning all of your energy in the effort to achieve it. And to do that, you create your purpose in life and choose to step on the path to mastery. That gives you the direction to strive towards, which is where all of your goals come from. As you move on your path, you recognize that to take every step forward, you need certain skills, qualities, and powers. These skills, qualities, and powers are virtues. Walking your path forces you to develop the virtues that you never had before, and as a result of that, you achieve the personal transformation and turn into the better, more evolved human being. Following these principles has certain consequences. The first is happiness. The result of living in the high consciousness is true, real, core happiness. Happiness that is coming not from the opinions of others or stimulations that you receive, but from the true, real, right source. The second is power. The result of walking your path is the creation of value and change that you make in the world. You can trade the values that you've produced for the money, and this is how you make your income, which is what gives you the power. And the third is self-esteem and relationships. The result of having virtues is being the person that you want to be, the person that you admire, which is where the high self-esteem comes from. And great relationships is the reward for that, because having awesome personality is what makes you attractive. So, that was the extremely large-scale overview of the most core fundamentals of the personal development, the basic pillars of my worldview and philosophy. I will cover these concepts much deeper in my future videos because it will take longer than 5 minutes to explain everything that follows from them. I hope this video was useful to you. If you want to see more, subscribe to my channel and go to my website digitalmind.co. And until the next time, be awesome.